Hello, guys, welcome. And today I'll be teaching you the basic steps to learn web developing in HTML. So, I recommend you use Visual Studio Code. It's spelled like this if you want to download it. Now, there are two ways you could actually download it. One is to go on your browser. You can use any browser, Edge, GX, anything, and search Visual Studio Code. Once you type that in, you click on this website, which goes you to the main official website. Click download, and you can download depending if you're using Windows, Deb, RMP, or Mac. And the other way you can do it is to go onto Microsoft Store and search Visual Studio Code. It'll look like this. Ignore any of these. This will say Visual Studio Code. Then you install it. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to worry about that. Now, once you download it, before you even start anything, make a file. So make a file, any type of, not even a file, a folder, I mean. Make a folder. It can be any type of folder. So let's say my folder is web. Then you go to file, you click open, no, not file. You go to open folder, and you click on the folder you want to open, and it will open with that folder. So after this, you have to add the name of your website with HTML, which will pop up this. So the first thing you want to do whenever you're making a website is to add doctype.html to tell your computer language it's in HTML, along with HTML, which shows the section of it that's part of the HTML actual code. Then, after that, you type in head, and then after we type in body. You may think it looks a little bit like a letter. Anyways, in the head, titles, headings, anything can be in the head. Like that can be in the head. While in the body, it's usually subheadings and paragraph. So just write title here and leave it blank. Then let's go into the body where you have headers. H1 to H6. Whenever you are making a header, remember that 1 is the biggest and 6 is the lowest. So let's compare the size of a H1 and H6. We're gonna write hello and hello. We're gonna write hello in each one. And if you want to see what your code looks like, type in live server. And ignore this one. Download this one. This helps you see your code. So you can see how your code looks. Anyways, let's go back to it. Now you click the button here called Go Live, and you can clearly see that heading 1 is bigger and heading 2 is lower. So I have a challenge for you guys. I would like you guys to make a website about yourself. So I'm doing that right now. So let's make a heading. What do you like? And then I'll also teach you about P. P is just general text. So let's say I like to eat pizza. I also like to play games, read books, play football, and do coding. Just like that, we've made a pretty amazing 2 sentences on myself. So let's see what pops up with. Jimmy, what do you like? I like to eat pizza. I also like to play games, read books, play football, and do clothing. Isn't that cool? That'll be it for today's video. Thank you. Bye.